What's up, guys? It's T, your best friend. You already know what's up. Hey, man, like I said, I'm not no expert, but I can make your next work, you feel me? But the topic for today is what should you do on your first date? So, a lot of times, like, women would be like, oh, they probably want to go out to eat, they probably want to go to the movies and things like that. But that's what they'll tell you because that's what they're used to doing. Based on experience, like interactive dates is pretty much the way to go, bro. Most of the time, like for dudes, interactive dates. For girls, please try it. Give it a chance, cause I feel like that's the way to go. What I mean by interactive dates, I could mean like you could do like a good little activity like skating, bowling, things like that. Like when you get you get the hype going, you get a little competition going, you get a little competitive. But as a dude, like if you're pretty good at something, you basically, kind of slack off a bit so you give her a chance to win and shit like that. Because you basically don't want you just winning and winning and winning and winning and winning. Like the girl gonna call you an asshole, bro. Like anybody tell you that. Like you a hoe. Like even with for the girl also. Like if you good at it, bro. Like let the nigga win like one game, bro. Like for real. Let him win one game. You feel me? But like interactive day, you talking about like skating, bowling. You could do like if the money ain't right and the money tight, look, bro, do a game night, bro, at the crib. Game night at the crib, bro. Like that shit is lit. Just make it like super lit. Like not really much downtime, cause like the minute there's silence, things get awkward. Unless you got the swag, you feel me? You put in some fillers and shit like that. But do a couple game nights, interactive, like that kind of shows, you kind of get a feel for personality. You kind of make it fun, you feel me? Like no girl or no guy want no boring, no boring person, bro. Like off the rip, you do not want no boring ass person. Like me, I don't want nobody in the house all day. You feel me? Like you could be in the house most of the time, but when it's time to like have fun and do a couple of things, like you basically need to get the hell up out the house. But for a first date, I would say interactive dating, bro. I don't know if that's a thing. I ain't look shit up. You feel me? All I know is based on experience, that's what I'm bringing. You feel me? I'm going based off straight up experience, bro. Like I ain't saying like I'm not saying like I didn't did a whole lot of I had a lot of females. I'm not saying that, but based off experience, interactive dating is the way to go. You go to skating, you go to bowling. Like most of the time, most people don't even know how to skate. You could get a chance to get to teach the girl how to skate. You feel me? Feel on the little booty. You feel me? Like oh, mm. You get to grab the waist, grab the hands. Feel on a little something. She don't know how to bowl. Get to grab the grab grab the hands, grab the waist. You feel me? You get to feel a little curve. She don't know how to play pool. Grab the hands, grab the waist. And she don't know how to play pool. When you play pool, you gotta lean like this. Feel me? You just run up behind that girl like, girl, uh, let me show you a little something, something. You feel me? Put the swag on her. You feel me? Hey, that's just what it is. When you get interactive, bro, you speaking and you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Interact. You get to know the person on another level, like on a play level, on a playful level. Because most of the time, as you get older, people kind of don't really joke around a lot. They take things in like such a literal way. But if you're doing things in an interactive way, like you lighten up the mood. You show the girl a different side of you, as opposed to eating. When you go eating, what you gonna do? You just go, oh, how's your food? Oh, what do you like to do? Oh, this and that. Like the regular ass conversations, bro. Like when you go out to eat, when a girl go out to eat, when a guy go out to eat, just you expect the regular shit. Like, no. No, bro. No more of that regular shit, bro. Go do something, bro. Go do something. Trust me. It's gonna take you a long way. Cause now you're gonna have more things to talk about. Like now the girl gonna be like, girl might say, I wanna do it again. You feel me? Based on the mood. Like what else you wanna do? You know what I'm saying? There's food at the fucking place anyway. So you go out to eat, you doing one thing, you go bowling and shit like that. There's food at the place. You feel me? Like just lighten up the mood. Anyways, man, like I said, I'm not no expert, but I can definitely make the next work. But anyways, if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we gonna be dropping some more of them bad boys. You feel me? Anyways, man, I'm out.